Number 50, we are doing more reading of the G string. We are walking up to our fourth finger and going back and forth with that. So let's say it. Ready, say it. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A. G, A, B, C, D, rest, rest. So when we're on the G string, it's a really good idea to bring this elbow underneath more so that our fingers, especially that fourth finger, has plenty of room to come down perfectly rounded, and we are not laying down on the other strings. Our fingers aren't like that. Everything's up high. Don't try to go too far, but bring it in to give yourself a little bit of space. So let's pluck. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B, C, D, C, B, A, G, A, B, C, D. Rest, rest. Now with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go.